Summer is just around the corner, which means spending more time enjoying the great outdoors.
So now is the perfect time to prep your home.
So here with some gadgets and gear is DIY expert Chip Wade.
Well, thanks. We have a lot to cover today. Really fun stuff. Root Quencher is subterranean watering. Look at this, from 9 to 22 inches.
This is going to give you that green thumb that you have probably lost if you're like me. This does all the work for us. This is a subterranean watering system that is just truly innovative.
Awesome. We've got the full Root Quencher, the Junior, even the Spike. Look at this. Look at this, and it's adjustable, so you can make it great. Awesome for potted plants and vegetables. Amazing. RootQuencher.com.
It's adjustable from 9 inches all the way out to 22 inches. It's great for huge trees, large bushes, shrubs, all the way down to potted plants and vegetables. Now they have the full-size Root Quencher. We have the Junior, which is great for those smaller shrubs, and of course, maybe the easiest of all, the Spike. Look at this guy. It's a fully adjustable with penetration. You simply just pop it down in the soil, and the water gets down deep where they need it with the roots. Again, no evaporation happens because all the watering happens down here. You can find this, of course, on rootquencher.com, and you can check it out at Home Depot as well.